Welcome to zkCLOB, your gateway to anonymous, zero-knowledge trading. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to place a market sell order using the spot trading interface. From your dashboard, verify your available balance. In this example, we have 0.1 Ethereum, which will be selling a portion of it. Hover over the Trade tab in the top navigation and click Spot to access the live order book. Click the Current Pair drop-down to open the market list. Select Ethereum/USDT from the list to trade Ethereum for USDT. On the right-hand side, click the Market tab. This ensures your order is filled instantly at the current market price. Click Sell, then enter the amount of Ethereum you want to sell. In this case, we're selling 0.05 Ethereum. You'll see the estimated USDT you'll receive. You can optionally enable TP or SL for added risk management. We'll skip this for now. Click the Sell button. Your order is processed immediately since it's a market order. Wait for the confirmation prompt. After the trade, scroll down to Trade History to confirm your order status is completed. You can also go to the Orders tab from the sidebar to view all past spot orders. You've just completed a spot market sell on zkCLOB. No identity required, no compromise on privacy. Welcome to zkCLOB.